Oh, hello. Can you help me find my classroom?
No. What do I look like? A math freshman.
Hi! Are you sick and tired of not being able to find your classes? Does this campus seem way too big? Do you want to find out where all the cool kids hang out on campus? Well, then you need Campus Compass.
Wow!
I know, right?
All girls all over the world.